Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss new options of photo editing in the photo editor app. So open the app and click on the photo option. Select your desired photo. Today I will select this photo because the previous photo was not suitable for today's video. So I will select this. We have discussed many options in the previous videos. The last option we have discussed was double exposure. So we will start today from cut out option. Open this and I will tell you how to cut out the photo or the desired or specific area which you want to cut. Erase the background with the help of this eraser. Make changes to its drawness with the help of these cursors or click on AI button to remove full background behind the photo. And you can adjust different backgrounds behind your photo after the cutting. You can see I am applying. You can add color backgrounds also. Many color options available. And you can select tone of colors with the help of this pen type option and drag it where you want to apply the color. Which color you want to apply, drag it on that color, and you can add different types of given free colors, given free backgrounds you can apply and adjust the photo where you want to adjust. Drag it and make your cutted photo visibility more higher and lighter with the help of this cursor. You can adjust border color also, add different colors and different type of borders. With the help of this cursor you can make it thicker or thinner. Apply different types of colors which you want to apply. Some paid or pro borders available and mostly are the free. You can apply as your desire. You can see as I am applying different colors. Make it more thinner or thicker with the help of this cursor, or remove it, or add different spring type, abstract type, glitter type, world tour type backgrounds, building backgrounds, or the photo in your gallery. You can also select for the background of the cutted photo. You can see, move it vertically, horizontally, or make it more appear or decrease. Drag to adjust like this, make it more visible. Check the more backgrounds. You can apply romantic or love backgrounds also, zoo backgrounds also. Adjust the photo where you want to adjust it. Scenery type backgrounds are also available and the X-Max type backgrounds are also available. Adjust where you want. Add border if you want. Select the color of border you want or make it thinner or thicker with the help of the cursor. So friends, these are some new options of photo editing in this photo editor app we have discussed today. So video is getting lengthy, that's why we will discuss new options of this photo editor app in the next video. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.